constant speed of light. Explain. I keep hearing Einstein said light is constant, but its speed isn't. Let's clean that up fast. Myth. Light always travels at the same speed everywhere. Fact. The universal constant c is the speed of light in a perfect vacuum, about 299,792,458 ms. It's the same for every observer, no matter how they're moving. That's the bedrock of relativity. So why do people say light slows down? Because in stuff like water glass, a thick atmosphere light interacts with matter. The effective speed becomes v or c, divided by the refractive index. That's not c changing. It's the medium causing delays, like a crowd slowing you in a hallway, and the gaps between particles, photons, still zip at c. What about gravity near a dense planet? Here's the twist. Gravity curves space-time. Locally, right where I am, I'll always measure light moving at c. Always. A distant observer using their coordinates can calculate a different coordinate speed for that light. That's not breaking the rules. It's a bookkeeping choice across curved space-time. Locally invariant c. Globally flexible coordinates. Time changes with speed, right? Yes. To keep c the same for everyone, time and space must flex. If I move fast relative to you, my clock ticks slower for you. That's time dilation and special relativity. Near mass clocks run at different rates. Gravitational time dilation and general relativity. So when someone says denser planet, slower light, they're mixing two effects. In matter, interactions reduce the effective speed, medium physics. In gravity, coordinates and clock rates change, relativity. In both cases, the local speed limit c never budges. Big picture, light's constant is a local law of nature. What changes is how we slice space-time. Our reference frames, our media, our clocks. Once you separate c and vacuum from light and stuff and local from coordinate, the paradox vanishes and Einstein's idea clicks. Thanks for watching. Now go bend your brain, not the laws of physics.
There has to be mass for relativity theory to work. As a radiant energy, light can compress. It felt like forever, but relative to v velocity light, us constant speed is constant except changes in the absence of mass. Protons are massless, gravitons are massless. Light us constant scared is energy, just as c is velocity, but massless allows the barrier to be a massless experience.
What if space pushes? Not pull. Push. Rodney Kowecki calls it the expanding void. We ride its gradient. Gravity as pressure difference. Mass lowers local pressure. We are pushed, not pulled. A new map of motion. Use the c. Don't fight it. Enter the quantum field drive. It shapes local pressure. More push from behind. Thrust without fuel burn. Tune density. Shape flow. The ship becomes a foil. Find the gradient. Harmonic resonance. Match the void's beat. Resistance falls away. Path of least resistance. Slipstream engaged, not time. Events. Sequence the universe. Collapse the distance. Reposition by outcome. Navigate by events. Like a sub in a living sea. Trim, align, and ride. Different medium. Same logic. Starhawk Explorer. Surf the void and cross the cosmos by design.
Physics has never tried an experiment for faster than light propagation. Physics has never tried an experiment for faster than light propagation.